Good afternoon, class. You are welcome. Today we are going into a topic: relationship between organisms in their environment. This is the third week. Now, on this topic, the learning objectives are: number one, you have to explain two branches of ecology. Also, the characteristics of an ecosystem. You have to explain that one also. Then also define some terms like biosphere, biome, and the population. Now we go on now. What is ecology? Ecology is the study of the relationship between organisms and their effects on various factors in their environment. That is, the study of plants and animals in relation to their environment. It is sometimes called environmental biology. That is, the interactions between plant and animals in relation to their environment, how plants react, interact with animals, plants with animals. The animals will give them carbon dioxide, while the plant will give them what? Oxygen. So that interaction is called what? Ecology. Then the branches of ecology. Number one, autocology. This is the study of an individual in its environment. For example, the study of a single rabbit and its environment. That is, just take an individual, as you have seen, a rabbit, and study the life, the interaction, everything about rabbits. That is, you can take any of these animals you see in the picture. You can take horse, you can take cow, you can take even the chicken. Any of them, just take one as a single individual and study everything about it. The second one is psychology. This is the study of interrelationship between groups of organisms or species of organisms living together in an area. Just take the whole area, everything living in that area. You study their lifestyles, everything, their interaction, you study it. For example, the study of different organisms on land in relation to their terrestrial environment. So then we have number three, ecosystem. Ecosystem is a community of plants and animals functioning together with non-living things in their environment. The community of plant and animal functioning together, interacting together with non-living things, with animal and with stones, with air, with everything in their environment is called what? Ecosystem. Then what are the characteristics of an ecosystem? Number one, it is self-supporting unit which comprises all living and non-living things. That's ecosystem. All living and non-living things, plant, animals, non-living things, stones, buildings, everything, non-living things. Then number two, there is interrelationship between the organic and the inorganic components in an ecosystem. Then number three, there is transfer of energy in the system, that's an ecosystem. Then we now come to the definition of terms. As we have said before, biosphere. A biosphere is a part of Earth habitable by living things. The part of the Earth that's habitable by living things is called what? Biosphere. Biosphere. It consists of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and the atmosphere, water, air, and everything in the earth. Give us what? What is a biosphere? What is biome? This is a large natural terrestrial habitat in an ecosystem. It contains a special or different vegetation. That is biome. Then the last one is population. Population is the total number of organisms of the same species living within an area. The number of organisms living in the same place, living within a community. That is what we call what? Population. So these are the what we call what? The interrelationship in the what? Relationship between organisms and their environment. So let's have this assignment done. Define the time lithosphere. We've mentioned it. Hydrosphere and the atmosphere. Number 2, explain the term ecological niche. So these are the assignments. Do it, and we mark it together. Thank you very much. God bless you.